In this tutorial in Planning Center Online, we'd like to walk you through the steps you need to follow when your church enrolls you in Planning Center. The first thing they will do is we'll send you an email that is generated by the program. It will start out with your name in the upper left corner, and in the middle of the email you'll see a blue bar. The blue bar will give you your username, which is typically your email address. And then underneath you have a line that says click here to set your password. So move your mouse and click on that underlined sentence. Once you've done that, you'll see this screen pop up asking for your email or phone. In most cases, all you need to do is type in your email, and then when that is in the upper box, click on the blue button below which says Send Code. It will send a separate code to your email, and then you will see a screen like this. The second email you get from them will ask for a reset code. Now, you're not resetting your password, you're setting it for the first time, but it's basically the same function in this case. So all you do is move to the box in the middle, and you can paste or retype the numeric code that you've been given in the previous step. Once you enter the code, you'll have another screen that asks for a new password and a confirm password. Once again, if you're doing this for the first time, you don't have an old password, so just forget about the idea of new, but just put a password in the top box, put the same password in the lower box, and then click on the button that says Reset My Password. And if you're a new user, it will put your first password in that you can use whenever you're in Planning Center. Once you've done that, you will see another screen pop up, and this is what it will look like. It will have the logo and name of your church, it will have your schedule, and it will have information about you that you can use. We have other tutorials in Planning Center Online to show you how to operate once you get to the basic screen. But these are the steps to enroll for the first time, set up your password, and be ready to interact with the planners at your church when you use Planning Center Online.